Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Samsung TV Smart View not working. So guys, we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, connect your phone and TV on the same network. Your phone should be connected on the same network as your smart TV. Swipe down from the top of your phone screen to open the quick panel. Touch and hold the Wi-Fi icon to open your device Wi-Fi setting. Okay, and then here you can make sure you are connected to the correct network and change it if necessary. Okay, then allow permission on the TV. If your TV required permission, you need to select allow on a TV. How to do this? Tap on the smart view icon on the quick panel, select your TV. Okay, third step is update your smart TV software. Make sure your TV software up to date. If you have a Samsung smart TV, check for the available software update from the setting menu. So how to do this? Navigate to the setting and then select support. Okay, like here you can see, click on support. Then here you can see software update. Then you have to select the software update and then select update now. Okay, if there is update available, you have to download and install your TV. If there aren't any new update, then select OK. Okay, here you can see update now. You have to click update. Then fourth step is adjust the screen ratio on your phone. If image on your phone looks too small on the TV screen, you can adjust the aspect ratio in a smart TV view. On your phone, tap on the blue smart view icon, then tap on the phone aspect ratio. You can choose the setting you want here and then perform the factory data reset on your phone. How to do this? If you above method do not work, you may to bring back the device back to factory default setting just like when the powered on your device for the first time. Please note that the factory resetting a mobile device is not reversible. Please make sure all your information is saved to backup somewhere else before attempting to reset your phone. Okay? So how to do this? Go to setting, then general management, tap on the reset, then factory data reset. Okay. After that, scroll down the page and select reset, and then select delete all. Okay. So this is the all step. Thanks, guys.